We have an immigration policy and people get their permanent visas. But for some reason right now, this new administration is deciding, no, if you're of the wrong color, if you're a Muslim or you're from that other world over there, we're going to deport all of you. Because in their mind, Hedseth and Tulsi and name a few, they believe these people could be terrorists. The terrorists, we're all witnessing what they're doing to our government. And it's not the people they're deporting. Time to wake up, America. It's the conscious hour.
The kidnapping of a young woman with a green card, perfectly legitimately in the United States, and having a green card entitled to, albeit limited, First Amendment protection under US law. She was literally kidnapped in broad daylight on the street by masked men and women because, as it turned out, as you said, she had attended some pro-Palestinian rallies. I wasn't sure what I was looking at. I didn't know if this was a death squad, and I'm sure she didn't either. I didn't know if these were Israeli agents that were kidnapping this woman. They turn out to be agents of the United States government. And then I read this unhinged statement by Robert Kennedy about Columbia University, and I got to thinking sympathetically for you and Anya and everyone like you in the US. This situation is becoming dark and dangerous in the United States. Tell us how it looks to you.
It is a dark and dangerous situation because they're normalizing the criminalization of certain forms of speech that offend and disrupt the objectives of a foreign criminal apartheid state that has captured the US government. And so those of us who are considered to be disruptors, like me, are being targeted. I mean, I wasn't picked up by black masked Israeli censorship enforcers or ICE, as it's known here in the US, as Runesa Öztürk, this Turkish student at Tufts University, was on her way to an iftar dinner in the streets of Boston simply because she spoke out against Israel.